Snacks with different flavors. How to make cheese snacks fast while maintaining nutritional value. How to increase productivity but reduce energy consumption. How to get exclusive products that have the advantage over the production of competitors. Introducing Mango, a unique scent from the company Technological Systems and Complexes, with the technology of microwave vacuum processing of products. Thanks to the combination of microwave energy, which heats the food from the inside, and vacuum, which allows lowering the processing temperature of the food, it's easy to achieve a high drying speed and low energy consumption, and as a result, the product has an excellent taste. For the equipment to work, you need to connect it to the power network, cold water supply, and sewerage system. The sliced and cooled cheese is placed in a container, which goes inside the equipment. Select the desired program and that's it. The set does everything automatically. During the drying, the cheese increases in volume, acquiring a new shape and porous structure. The product's final water content is 5 to 8%. This serving of crispy balls only took 25 minutes to make.
I've been around the world, seen a lot of things as an earth.
It's impossible to achieve a similar result using other drying technologies.
And now I'm right here, and everything's good, and all the little pieces fit just like they all
The production of a popular 100% natural product with the Mango Microwave Vacuum Set.